Very healthy and tasty quinoa fritters. Prepared in air fryer. This is high in protein and great food for vegetarians. I hope you would love this. Let's try this amazing recipe. Take 1 cup quinoa. Wash it properly. Transfer it to the preheated pan. Add 2 cups water. Cook it for approx 15 minutes. Once ready, let it cool down. Transfer to the bowl. Add 3/4 cup gram garbanzo flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 1 finely chopped big onion, 3/4 cup finely chopped mixed bell peppers, 1 big grated carrot, 2 finely chopped green chillies, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, a ½ teaspoon crushed black pepper, chili flakes to taste, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon mango powder, salt to taste. Mix well. In preheated air fryer. Grease basket with olive oil. Apply olive oil in palm. Take a small portion and make flat round shape. Set for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees C. After 5 minutes, apply olive oil. Flip it and then apply olive oil. Keep on flipping in between. Once ready, take this out.
Wow, super delicious and healthy quinoa fritters ready to serve.
Please feel free to subscribe my channel.